Calculate the difference in temperature of T1 35 plus minus 0.4 degree Celsius and second temperature is 46 plus minus 0.3 degree Celsius. In previous question what was given? Resistance was 100 plus minus 3, this is the error. R2 is 200 plus minus 4, this was the error. So resistance in series is always given by R1 plus R2, so we have added the main values but error is also added separately. So main value क्या हो गया 300 ohms, error in 1, error in 2, plus minus combined error, that is 7%. So final answer was 300 plus minus 7%. This is the main value and this is the maximum possible error in the answer. But now in this question temperature 1 is given, temperature 2 is given, and what is asked? The difference in temperature is asked. So difference in temperature, how do we find? T, this will be 46 minus 35, that is how much? 11. What is delta T? Delta T is plus minus 0.4 plus 0.3, that is plus minus 0.7. What is the difference in temperature? Difference in temperature is 11 plus minus 0.7 degree Celsius. Is that clear? What we have done, because difference is asked, so main values will be subtracted. Difference means higher minus lower. Difference में main values will be subtracted, but as we learned in when z is equals to a minus b, errors will be added. So errors का क्या हो जाएगा? Addition हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसमें भी error है और इसमें भी error है. So total error कितना हो जाएगा? 0.7. So what is the final answer? 11 plus minus 0.7 degree Celsius is our answer. What is the difference between the initial and final temperature of the water bath? The initial and final temperature difference was 11 plus minus 0.7. मतलब ये 11 में it could be 11.7 or it could be 10.3. That much difference is the error in the final answer. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Proceeding to the next. Yes, the question says, yes, the question says, the length, width and height of a rectangular block. Question number 5 says, the length, the width and the height of a block are 12.13 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. Width was 8.16 plus minus 0.01 centimeter and height was 3.46 plus minus 0.01 centimeter, right? And calculate the percentage error in the volume of the block. Calculate the percentage error in volume of the rectangular block, that you have to find out, right? So what will be the formula of volume? Length into width into height. Is it? How do we calculate delta V? Because this is product, so delta V by V will be plus minus delta L by L plus delta B by B plus delta H by H. First we are finding relative error and finally we will find the percentage error. So delta V by V, सबसे पहले V निकाल लो. What is V? 12.13 into 8.16 into 3.46. So I think that will also not be required, उसका भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. Let us calculate plus minus, yes, delta L कितना है? delta L 0.02 upon what? 12.13 plus delta B is 0.01 upon 8.16 plus delta H 0.01 upon 3.46. What is delta V? Delta V by V into 100. B कर दिया मैंने. क्यों कर दिया 100? क्योंकि percentage error is asked, right? So what will happen? Plus minus लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 100 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो राइट हैंड साइड भी क्या होगा 100 से मल्टीप्लाई. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर वुड बी हाउ मच? 0.02. yes, 01 upon 3.46 इंटू 100. 100 का मल्टीप्लाई इससे और इससे, प्लस माइनस 2 बाय ये रिमूव्ड. yes, it will be 200 by 1213 plus 100 by 816 plus 100 by 346. now plus minus, now this calculation you have to do, right? Answer is 0.58%. absolutely right. So when you solve this, I'll write down the final values in decimal only. When you solve this, it comes out to be 0.1649 plus 0.1225 plus 0.289. Adding all of them we get plus minus 0.58. 100%. So what will be my answer? How to give the answer? Answer will be, percentage error is asked, nothing else. So final answer will be plus minus 0.58% is the percentage error in the given question. Right? No need to find volume also separately, no need to find delta V by V, because in question only percentage error is asked. If it would have been asked calculate the volume with percentage error, then we were supposed to find the volume also, but as per the question only percentage error is asked, so we skipped that part and directly found the percentage error. Yes, the question says z is equals to a square b cube upon under root c. Calculate the percentage error in z if percentage error in a, b and c are 3%, 1% and 2% respectively, plus minus 3%, plus minus 1% and plus minus 2% respectively. Right? So how to calculate this? We know that delta z is equals to we know that delta z upon z is given by plus minus 2 delta a by a plus 3 delta b by b plus, can we not write this as a square b cube upon c की पावर हाफ? We can write that. So ये पावर कितनी है? ऊपर आने के बाद ये माइनस नहीं होगा, प्लस होगा. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर बिकॉज वी आर एडिंग द एरर्स. प्लस हाफ डेल्टा सी बाय सी. बट एबीसी का वैल्यूज आर नॉट गिवन. द वैल्यूज आर नॉट गिवन. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ द साइड बाय 100 into 100. So what will come? It will come plus minus 2 delta a by a into 100. ये क्या है? परसेंटेज एरर जो कि हमें दिया है. प्लस 3 डेल्टा b बाई b इंटू 100 ये भी हमें दिया है. प्लस हाफ डेल्टा c बाई c इंटू 100 और ये भी हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू? प्लस माइनस 2 इंटू डेल्टा a में कितना है एरर? प्लस माइनस 3%. प्लस 3 इंटू डेल्टा बी में कितना है? प्लस माइनस 1%. प्लस हाफ इंटू सी में कितना है एरर? प्लस माइनस 2%. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? प्लस माइनस 6% प्लस 3% प्लस कैंसल्ड 1%. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल आंसर? प्लस माइनस 10% is the percentage error in the value of z. So that will be our answer on the basis of formula applied by the exponential form.